Let me show you that what exactly we have developed is going to be the exact replica for the project which we are working on. So right now you will find that this is what I have opened. I have called token marketplace. Now you will find that I have all this recent listing which I have got. So if I want to purchase, for example, this one is listed Uniswap. So if I want to purchase, I can click here and I can see the details that what's the liquidity available, what's the price is set for this one, because you have the full control over this liquidity and the price which you want to send. So I can simply give the quantity which I want to purchase. If I want to go with, let's say 25%, I can select that. I can see the entire money I have to pay for this particular transaction. So I just go with a little down. I want to spend, let's say, like let's buy 10 Uniswap, and you can see the entire costing. So this particular amount will go to the user who have listed and created this liquidity, and this particular amount we're going to earn as a platform order. We are providing these facilities, and the total amount this user needs to pay is 10 ETH. So if I want to purchase, all I have to do is to click on this buy token, and it's going to make a call. It's going to call our wallet. Let me give my credential, and here I am. You can see we are signing the transaction, and all I have to do is to simply click on this confirm, and the transaction is completed. So I can simply buy, and you will find that here I'm getting this option called manage listing, because I have created this particular liquidity in this exchange. So I can manage my own listing. I have full control. If you come back here, you will see all the recent listing which you will get in this marketplace right up here. So you can see the total token created by all the user is 15. The total active listing we have in this exchange, the liquidity is 14, and the total volume is locked in this particular contract is 302. And this is the total transaction happened so far in this particular marketplace. If you don't have your token, you can simply create here, set the price, and add into the listing. So let me quickly upload it. I want to pick anyone. I can simply come back here in my download, and I have this particular image. So I just showing you this. I click on this, and I can give that all the details. So let's call this Daulat Hussain. I'll say DH. You can pick the supply. If you want to launch your stablecoin, you can simply give with the stablecoin, but I want to go with the normal ERC20 token, and you can set the supply. So I will go something like this huge number. You have to give your description about your token and come back here, give all of these details. The more details you will provide, the better authentication you can have, and you can give all of this that. And now you will find that when the user will create this token using this particular platform, like they have the option to use any platform, but we are providing inbuilt features so they can launch it, and we'll have the chance of making extra money. So I'll simply click on this deploy, and it's going to upload all the metadata. So this metadata is going to be permanently available on a decentralized IPFS model. So you can simply read it and you can see all the data. So right now you will find that we are making the call, and once it will be done, it's going to call the contract, and we have to simply confirm the transaction. And you will find all the data, all the contract which is happening. Let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is completed. And here we came to our token details section. You can see the supply, you can see the decimal point, the creator, and the symbol, and all of these details you will find. You will get this CDR logic and metadata logic. If you come back here, go back to the marketplace, you will find all the listings which different user have done it. So you will find that this listing is created by different user, but I have created all of this listing so I can manage that one. So if I want to purchase, I can click on this and I can purchase. If I want to purchase this particular one or chain link, I can click here and I can give the quantity which I want. So right now the liquidity we have is 2K, but I want to buy, let's say 100. And you can see the fund and the platform fee which we are paying. So I'll simply click on this buy token, and it's going to make a call. And once I will simply confirm the transaction, and the best part of this particular transaction that the commission will get into this contract, in the marketplace contract, and the rest of the amount will go to the seller directly. So you'll find that every single thing is dynamic. Just now we have bought it, and this progress bar is also looking great. If I come back to the manage token, I can click on this and it will take me to the details section. From there I can control. So if I want to add more liquidity, if I can see that users are buying my token, so I can simply update the pricing, I can add more liquidity, or if I want to cancel this listing, I can do that. So if I want to update, I can simply update. So right now the price is this, but if I want to set the price, for example, 1 ETH, I can simply click on this update, and the price is going to be updated successfully. So let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is completed and the price is updated. Now if I come back here, if I want to add the supply, I can add that. So let's add 1000 more token. Let's click on this add supply, and all I have to do is to simply create 2 transactions. Let's click on this confirm, and the 2 transaction is completed, and we have successfully added the liquidity. You can see it's went up. If you want, you can cancel this particular listing very easily, and you will have all of this fund in your wallet as a seller. So I can simply cancel the listing, and it's going to be canceled from the marketplace, and it's not going to be available anymore. So you will find that it's canceled. If you come back to the marketplace, it's not available. It will automatically get filtered out. It's not available. So if you come back here, from here you can filter with the lowest, high price, or volume wise you can also go with the newest one, but that's what I have. You will see all the active stats. Earlier it was 14, but now it's went down to 13. If you come back to the analytical part, there you will have the full control. As a user, we can see all the listing we are happening in this marketplace, all the trades. So if you come back to the analytical part, there you will find all the transaction which you have. So you can see the total volume log, transaction, listing, and all the recent trade which is happening. This is the two top seller we have. You can see how much money you have earned as a commission, and this is the total sell happened in the contract. If you come back to the dashboard, there you will find all the details. So this is all the listing which you have created. These are the two which we have canceled just now, and these are the token which I have added, and I have created, if I want to put this token into the liquidity, I can create that very easily. So I can simply create a new token from here, or if I want, I can simply select here and pick a token right from here and create the liquidity. So I can simply give that one and I can create the liquidity very easily. If I come back to the portfolio, there I can able to manage all of this listing. So I can come back here and I will manage all the portfolio which I have. So you can see this is all the token holding I have in my wallet. This is the created one. This is the ETH balance, total positioning I have, and total token I have created. If I come back to the my listing, there I will find all the token which I have listed. So I can see that all I have, this one is got ended, this one is got ended, and here we have this one is also got ended. So you can simply explore that one. For example, if I want to explore, I can click here and it will take me to the detail page. From there I can control it. So if I come back to the purchase, there I can find all the details about the recent purchase I have made in the contract in the marketplace. So I can simply click here and I can see the details which one I have bought, and that's all I can see right up here. If I come back to the create one, that's what I will have. So right now I'm connected with the user account. So the admin functionality is hidden. So what I will do, I'll simply come back here, and from here I can disconnect. I'm disconnected. If I come back here, go back to my MetaMask, and I can change my address. So come back here, go back to the account number 2. I've connected. Now click on this and I can click on this connect, and I'm connected with the account number 2. So I have to reload the page so it can reflect perfectly, and you will find that it's there. I can simply connect, and let's click on this connect one more time. Okay, I have to change my wallet. So right now I'm connected with the to account number 2. I have to go with admin first, and you will find that every single thing is going to be changed automatically. So that's what I have. Right now I'm connected with the admin account, and this admin panel is visible. I can click here and I can see all the trade is happening. All the trade are happening, how much money I have on. You can control the fee. You can block any user if you find that anything is wrong is happening. You can see the treasury you have on. If you want, I can simply withdraw this treasury which I have on, which user have performed the trade. So let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is completed, and I got this one. I can also check this revenue which I'm getting into this marketplace and the money I'm making. So this one is a really powerful project. I would highly encourage you to check this one. We already have the complete project available on the channel, so make sure to watch this video. There I've explained extensively that how you can simply test every single feature, how you can simply test this entire code base in your own system in just 5 minutes. So that's the suggestion I would give you. If you really want to master decentralized exchange, how DeFi work, if you really want to start your own cryptocurrency marketplace, then this project is really great for you. So that's the only thing I want to cover. Make sure to check the complete project. You will understand every single thing in that. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.